the GEO-901 folding pocket knife. The GEO-901 blade is made from D2 steel. D2 steel is an air hardening, high carbon, high chromium tool steel. It is a top performer due to its high resistance to wear and its edge holding ability. It will hold an edge for a very long time before it will go dull. The handle material is G10. G10 is a high-pressure fiberglass laminate. It is created by stacking multiple layers of glass cloth soaked in epoxy resin and compressing the material with heat until the epoxy cures. Overall, this blade is fairly sharp right out of the box. I would give it an 8 out of 10 in sharpness. It cuts paper very nicely. Magazine paper is a bit more difficult to cut due to the slick coating it is given, but the knife did bite the paper after a couple of attempts. For the price, this is a solid, heavy-duty knife to have in your EDC, your everyday carry, and I would highly recommend it. Check the links in the video description to purchase this knife.